Alright, just finished up the heat booster mod so that we can run the heat with the van off. Should use very little diesel to keep the van warm all night. It is trashed. There's wire bits everywhere. Just got the dash back together. You can see in here the new harness that was built, and then the OEM heater switch. I believe it's for the rear circuit, but you know it matches, and that's great. Okay, so I've actually not tested this, so who knows if this video is going to get posted. But the operation is using currently the starter battery, but soon to be the cabin battery. You flip the switch on, the vents will blow at a lower setting than the max high when the vehicle's running, but still at enough to move quite a bit of air. It then also turns on the coolant circulation pump, which moves coolant through the system. And finally, it turns on the diesel heat booster, which consumes a very little bit of diesel fuel to heat the motor up. You can use this to either heat the van up so that it starts in cold weather better, or you can use it to stay comfortable and camp at night. I have the headlight out still from the modification up there, but we are going to go ahead and click this. You can hear that going. And then within a minute, the diesel fuel pump, which is under here, and the heat booster that's over there is going to fire up. So we're going to walk outside, and we're going to see if we can catch that starting. So you can hear that running. That's the coolant circulation pump. Here's the fan running. And if we did everything right, in a moment, we will hear the diesel heater start. That clicking is the fuel pump. You can see while we wait for that to turn on, the wires that intercept it running up through here. Oh, there it goes. When it first turns on, it kind of smells like an airplane that's just starting the motor. So we're going to go over here. Thing sounds like a darn jet. It's pretty cool. Might be able to hear the fuel pump speeding up. Fuel pump's now at full speed, and it's at full heat. I'm not sure how loud the microphone makes this sound. It's not insanely loud, but most certainly, if you had this on and you were trying to stealth camp, someone would be looking for the fighter jet that's about to take off. In the van, it's quite quiet. You just pretty much hear the roof of the fan. So again, we've got the pump in here pumping away. We've got the fan blowing. And finally, we've got the heat booster rocking away, all with the van off. Success! Alright, shooting one more video because before it was in high mode. So when you first turn it on, it does its darndest to heat the van up to 180 degrees. Once it gets there, it goes into a low mode, or a medium mode, or a not really loud mode. So, this is what it sounds like. Let's go in the van and see if we can hear it. It is hot in here. So you can hear a tapping sound. That's the fuel pump. Nice hot air. Yeah, I think this is going to be great. I may rubber isolate the fuel pump just to quiet it down. And it's pretty quiet. Happy, happy. Oh, there the pump went into high again to bring the temp up. So it'll vary between the two modes.